would value medical waste management company at about $7 billion, including debt. Wall Street is coming off its sixth positive month in 7. Investors will also focus on India markets as exit polls suggested Prime Minister Narendra Modi was set for a rare third consecutive term in power. Meme stock GameStop saw another speculative pop in overnight trading as speculation grew that Keith Gill could have a huge position in the video game retailer. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi appears set to win a third term, while South Africa's ruling African National Congress lost its 30-year parliamentary majority. The FDA announced a recall of potentially contaminated cucumbers Saturday. See the 14 states they were sent to. Donald Trump and other Republicans say President Joe Biden's policy to promote electric vehicles is unfair for consumers and amounts to government overreach. Trump even cited the issue in his remarks Friday after his criminal conviction in New York. The SEC might have just undermined its own anti-crypto legal arguments by approving spot Ethereum ETFs. Attorney Carlo D'Angelo explains why. A burgeoning area of identify theft targets 42 million lower-income Americans who receive government assistance to buy groceries. Emirates boss Sir Tim Clark tells TAC in Dubai that more than a decade after launch, we still have no visibility of when 777-9 deliveries are going to happen. Bloomberg. The main drivers behind the remarkably resilient American consumer are losing steam at the same time, suggesting a recent pullback in as McDonald's, Burger King and Wendy's roll out value meals for low-income consumers hit hard by inflation. Fast food franchise owners face an economic test. Biden's latest policy proposals could jack up home prices even higher than they have already, are following high inflation and excessive government spending. Looking for a surefire way to get rid of your student debt? Here are 3 entry-level remote jobs that pay more than $100 in 2024, even right after graduation. Hollywood star Johnny Depp escaped a plight many Americans cannot avoid. Tesla is doing an OTA recall for the driver seatbelt occupancy sensor. The OTA update is coming this June and will meet NHTSA requirements. Any improvement in their relationship could clear the way for the bank to do more business with billionaire Musk or his constellation of companies. EV maker faces tight vote over Musk pay and reincorporation, but investment platforms failed to put cross-border systems in place. Former President Donald Trump's falsifying documents verdict could add some volatility to the markets. There are growing concerns about copper scarcity, rising prices, and supply challenges, with AI and data centers emerging as new sources of demand. The housing market is really the first domino to fall on what we think is going to be a slower growth story down the road.